Change your mindset now for success in your life. If you've checked out any self-help book on success or comparable, then opportunities are that you will have come across this idea that you can get whatever you desire from life simply by changing your mindset and altering the way you believe. Can it really be so simple? How can your state of mind truly affect your physical truth? Actually, there are lots of ways. Let me explain. The law of attraction. The law of attraction is the name of a theory that describes why some individuals get everything they want and other people just do not. In other words, if you act like somebody who is abundant, then you will attract other abundant individuals and important products. And if you act like the most capable and incredible person in your work environment, then other individuals will begin to take you more seriously, offer you more work and assist you to become that a lot of capable and remarkable person. This is the law of attraction, and although it might seem like magic, there is actually an extremely good description for how it all works. You see, when you start acting more positive in your workplace by standing a little taller, by puffing your chest out and by talking more securely to people, you will discover that other people detect that and they begin to see you as a more positive person. They will quickly start to see you as being more capable when somebody sees you as being more positive in the office. And when they see you as being more capable, they will of course be more thinking about working with you and providing you crucial jobs to be responsible for. If you look like somebody who takes care of themselves, like an expert, like somebody who a company would be delighted to speak to clients on their behalf, then you will be offered more work as an outcome. Well, one example of how this works is that individuals will see your new more premium taste and they will react by offering you more important and costly gifts. It actually is that basic. Performing wealthier and thinking yourself to be, can likewise again help others to wish to work with you and buy you, and it can offer you the self-confidence you need to take wise financial risks. The primary step to becoming is thinking. It sounds corny, however it is completely real. Understanding. Another thing to think about is how our perception of truth completely alters our subjective experience of this, and for that reason the result. What do I suggest by this? Simply that what you experience is actually less important for your frame of mind than what you think. Then, if you were to come face to face with a lion in the woods, there would be a great opportunity that you'd see your heart rate leap up greatly, your breathing become faster and shallower, and your blood start rushing to your muscles, your eyes and your brain. This is what we understand as the battle or flight action. What if you see the lion but do not believe in the lion? None of those changes will happen and you'll stay entirely calm. When you experience a difficulty in the workplace, a difficult pal or partner, or monetary problems, you can pick to see it as a lion, or you can choose to see it as no huge deal. These techniques permit us to actively alter the way we believe about about ourselves and about our scenarios, and thus to achieve incredible things and even completely get rid of fear. Positivity and belief. However, what's likewise highly crucial is that we have positivity and belief in what we're doing. Positivity is among the most powerful tools you have at your disposal and can assist you to take possibilities, challenge the system, and typically make waves. If you are a pessimist with low self-esteem, is it like that you'll set up your own service? No. If you're somebody who is scared to take chances, then how most likely is it that you'll end up quitting your task and going traveling? Not extremely. Too many of us are merely beaten down by our circumstances, and our training and our company believe that the finest way to get by is to remain quiet and attempt not to rock the boat. The truth though is that you need to take possibilities and risks in order to really live. Would you rather stop working at doing something fantastic, or be successful at not doing anything at all? And in order to take that leap, we require to change your mindset. If you have actually checked out any self-help book on success or similar, then chances are that you will have come across this concept that you can get whatever you desire from life merely by altering your mindset and altering the way you believe. What if you see the lion but don't think in the lion? You can choose to see it as a lion, or you can pick to see it as no huge deal. These strategies allow us to actively alter the way we believe about difficulties, about ourselves and about our scenarios, and thus to attain incredible things and even entirely get rid of fear. And in order to take that leap, we require to change your mindset.